Hey guys, what's going on? It's you, Auntie, and I have a very special package coming in from my good friends over at Hibbett Sports. As you guys know, November represents N7 for Nike, so they always do special sneakers, special clothing, and Hibbett Sports gifted me this amazing Nike N7 package. Got a little card here, N7 Hibbett. It's got my name right there. I'm just going to read you real quick what the back says. The Nike N7 Fund. Nike is committed to getting youth in Native American and Aboriginal communities moving so they can lead healthier, happier, and more successful lives. Through Nike's N7 Fund, we support organizations that provide sport and physical activity programming to youth in these communities. The N7 Fund helps them reach their greatest potential through play and sport and creates more equal playing fields for all. So I'm going to pan the camera down and let's dig into this. So make sure you check the description for links to the N7 collection from Hibbett. Really some great sneakers that are going to be released. But right in this box, you've got a die-cut Nike swoosh logo. You've got the tribal print right there on the front in white. And then you've got this really cool little leather handle. Boom, you pull that out. Inside to start, you've got this tribal blanket. So there's a little cord here. Remove that. So really cool to have that Native American print right on this blanket, and then inside clothing, sneakers. Where do I even start? Let's just start with the blanket. I'm gonna pull the blanket out first. So as you can see right here, you've got that full fleece tribal print blanket. That is just really cool to see. Love the detail on that. Nice and soft and warm. Just a cool detail to have in this box. And I'm gonna start with the sneakers. It is the Nike Air Moc N7 with Pendleton wool. This is 100% wool. It's made in Oregon. So to see this on a sneaker, this is probably one of the most unique sneakers I've ever seen. Obviously this moccasin is to represent, you know, what the Native Americans wore, and then there's just some crazy details. Obviously you have that big waffle print outsole. Pendleton wool in the upper has that whole tribal print, really soft and comfortable. Then you've got this really great suede loops here that the cord goes through for support. Little X's right there where they're sewn in. Again, you have that N7 little button here on the tongue. You pop that up, boom, suede, Nike swoosh embossed. And on the back you have Nike Air debossed in suede with a little toggle right here so you can tighten the back of the shoe as well. So this is like a really cool like moccasin that really represents what N7 is all about. So this is probably the best, I think, N7 sneaker they've ever done, and that includes all the other ones that are available. There's a really cool Jordan 8 and a bunch of other Nike models that I just think they really represented, you know, these Native American vibes very well. And the Pendleton wool is a really nice touch. As you can see, you have that little logo that says Pendleton right on it. These are really cool. Then getting to the rest of the items that were in the box, you do have an N7 hooded sweatshirt right here, has the N7 logo right there in the hood. White pocket with a little N7 patch on the sleeve. What's really cool, and once again, one of my favorite things about N7 is all the tribal details. They're always included on every piece of sneakers, clothing, whatever it is. So as you can see, that tribal print's on the back of the hoodie. So just tons of detail, really cool. Then we got a pair of Nike N7 jogger sweatpants in this nice gray color. Once again, on the left side you have that tribal print and then the Nike swoosh. Then in the back you have a little white pocket that's a button, really nice quality and detail there. And then once again that N7 patch on the back. So got a pair of Nike N7 Elite socks, N7 patch right there, Nike swoosh, and then tribal print kind of all over. And I love just like the gray, light blue, and tan colorway, really smooth. Then we got two t-shirts, two Nike N7 t-shirts. This one, once again, has that tribal print, really unique. The teal colors really pop, and then obviously that maroon at the bottom. On the back does have that N7 patch again. Then another shirt. This one's in teal with the white swoosh, same tribal print there at the bottom. Back side you do have that patch again, so really, really cool. So thank you again to Hibbett Sports for this amazing, amazing package. One of the most detailed, coolest packages I've ever received. Just loaded with stuff. Obviously the N7 is very special. So make sure you click the links in the description, go shop Hibbett's website. All links to all this will be in there, plus all the other great things that they offer. They have great return policy, great rewards program, and then obviously all the N7 sneakers. Make sure you check out all the other sneakers that are on there. These Air Mocks are just really cool and really represent what the N7 and Nike collaboration is all about. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll check you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.